always asking me why. I tried to fall, but I learned how to fly. Now I rise up, touching pieces of sky.